Ngona bafethu uvane lo so lana ngizokhuluma umdlali weOrlando Pirates. I'm sure abantu abaningi abathanda ukuyithinta kakhulu le topic le but ke ngimbonile namhlanje uTito upostile ku Instagram yakhe. So namhlanje uTito nje uposte Instagram. Yabo. Namhlanje kuyi birthday ya Jomo Sono, nyamazi ku Jomo Sono, the Black Prince of Orlando Pirates, the legendary Jomo Sono, the number 10 Orlando Pirates. So uTito upostile mfethu wafaka emoji goats wafaka yabo emalalisela uthi birthday yakhe. So it came to my mind that I remember last season there was a issue between Jomo Sono with Tito Maswanganyi. So I decided to do a video regarding that issue. Benikhumbula kahle bafethu last season Tito Maswanganyi isizini yakhe wayiqala kamnandi. Wayiqala kamnandi isizini yakhe nambona ku MTN indlela ayidlala ngakhona. Ama-fans amaningi ayekhuluma, ama-fans amaningi ayimemeza indaba yakhe. Uthi hayibo uTito Maswanganyi indlela adlala ngakhona uyadeserve ukuthola number 10. Ngiyaphinda futhi Orlando Pirates uTito Maswanganyi uyadeserve ukuthola number 10. Why Orlando Pirates ingamnikezi number 10? Leyo ndaba leyo ayiphelanga ku social media. Yabo, yayiloko iphushwa nje leyo ndaba le kuyi hot topic. Yaze yafika endlebeni zikabani zika Jomo Sono. Ngiyayikhumbula ke inkulumo ezashiwa uJomo Sono. Inkulumo ezashiwa uJomo Sono ayibanga mnandi towards the player. Yabo, yena to be honest, I'm not saying yena ngokwakhe ubengawufuna number 10. I'm saying as a fan, I don't think uTito Maswanganyi kwakusengqondweni yakhe ukuthi uyawufuna vele yena number 10. Yabo, ama-fans iwona ayefuna uTito aqo number 10 because number 10 akusiyona inamba evele nje yabo iretayiswe kanjalo nje. Yabo, we should see more players beqo number 10 ku Orlando Pirates. We have talented players who came through Orlando Pirates. Kwakumele bawugqoka number 10 but abawugqokanga. Abadlala kanje ngoTeko Modise babefuna ukugqoka but they didn't wear the jersey. Yabo, because it was retired by Orlando Pirates. So Tito Maswanganyi after those talks last season, ngokwami as a fan, I really like uTito Maswanganyi. Immoral yakhe mfethu indlela adlala khona yavele yehla immoral umjida because I remember after umjida kuyodlalwa le ku CAF Champions League wayethola ipressure kakhulu after uJomo Sono embize ngeant yena uyi-elephant. But you cannot compare an elephant with an ant. So Tito Maswanganyi wayethola ngempela criticism each and every game he played for Orlando Pirates. It's like there was weight on his shoulders. He have to show uJomo Sono ukuthi yena he is better than uJomo Sono. He can do izinto ezingcono kunoJomo Sono. And leyo nto leyo yama-affecta kakhulu uTito Maswanganyi because he had to play 10 times the way he plays. And leyo nto leyo mfethu ayikho mnandi. Angifuqa amanga ukumbona nje uTito Maswanganyi edlala last season. It wasn't fun because we used to win games engekho and ama-fans abaningi ayasho ukuthi uTito Maswanganyi kumele angene manje. And right now there are fans who don't like uTito Maswanganyi because of what happened last season. uTito Maswanganyi, after the fans were fighting for him to uthole number 10, he didn't perform very well. For me, I think uTito Maswanganyi kumele awuthole number 10. I think leyo nto le izobuyisa confidence yakhe. Because man kumbola kahle first season uTito Maswanganyi there were no shouts of number 10. Ama shouts ukuthi athole number 10 aqale last season. Few games last season. Sayiwina iMTN 8 but ke sesodlala ileague. Ilapho khona ipressure yaqala khona ukushisa match because phela sifuna ukubona ukuthi udeserve number 10. Sekhulumile futhi noJomo Sono. Yabo. So yena umjida ngokwami feel kumjida washawa ipressure and leyo nto leyo yasibulala kakhulu mfethu spirit sakho umjida. Iyodwa kuphela into ezobuyisa spirit saTito Maswanganyi right now ukuthi nje alithole leagues la number 10. Yes, Orlando Pirates yazama ukusibuyisa spirit sakhe ngokumnikeza number 10 ngosikhathi bedlala le kwi CAF Champions League but it wasn't the same. Yabo, it didn't feel right. It didn't feel like yes he can wear number 10 kwi CAF Champions League but we want to see him wear number 10 kwi Betway Premiership in the PSL. Yabo, yonke sifunayo zama-fans le. So it didn't feel right when he wore number 10 kwi PSL kwi CAF Champions League. Yabo, so ngokwami mina I feel like Orlando Pirates kwakumele imnikeze umjida bethu number 10. Kwakumele nje imnikeze kule season. I'm sure they are planning on giving uTito Maswanganyi number 10 but ke anything can happen bafethu. Nimbonile ejabulela uJomo Sono kwi birthday yakhe. nakho la ushaya photoshoot wearing the legendary number 10 jersey. Angazi noma it's a hint ukuthi uTito Maswanganyi will get the number 10 jersey from Mojomo Sono, but I think they should give the guy number 10 right now. Maybe leyo nto leyo izokhuphula spirit sakhe, maybe umjito uzodlala kahle kule season, because we need our players 10 times better. We need our players stronger this season. We need to fight. So asifuna ukubona abadlali bethu bedlala emorally ngekho. But ke ungangitshela ama comments, should we give uTito Maswanganyi number 10 bafethu noma we should remain as le number igqokayo?